Hello class, this is Alec Rogers, and today we're going to go through the mock proposal of the action research. This is my action research presentation, Innovation Through Simulation. Area of focus. Simulation technology is to be used to support advanced device troubleshooting. The area of focus will be focusing on new hires with Medtronic. The device technicians, which are anywhere from brand new hires to 2 years or less. So the area of focus is going to show simulators versus standard lectures. Do students learn better with hands-on approach? Explanation of problem. How does someone gain experience with life-saving scenarios? Throughout the medical field, we've always had issues of having people gain experience without putting patients' or lives at risk. Also, these scenarios are very uncommon. Including the uncommonness of them, they are also potentially dangerous. If a patient goes into a life-threatening arrhythmia in the real world and the device technician doesn't know what to do, that threat may be a reality. For variables, each student will have varying backgrounds of experience. There may be new hires, there may be people who are just out of college, just out of grad school, some people who've been in the field for 20 years in a different company. We realize that not every student is the same, which is both a benefit and a curse to action research. Also, these scenarios may be newer and have never been taught to these students before. So we have to keep in mind that teaching from the beginning might be an issue. That being said, the importance of a baseline of knowledge before the test is imperative. We are going to be doing a test before to make sure what they what they have known before, and then what they have been taught through either the lecture or the simulations. The research questions are as following. Will the implementation of supportive simulation technology improve a novice device technician's ability to recognize uncommon and potentially dangerous scenarios? Will the implementation of support technology improve novice device technician ability to correct the uncommon and potentially dangerous scenarios? And has the implementation of supportive simulation technology been regarded positively or negatively by the device technicians? Is this in my locus of control? Yes. I have personally mentored all of these participants. I have current access to all of these students, and I have the ability to change my curriculum as I see fit. Intervention or innovation. It is actually a combination of both. I'm going to be using two simulators. The first simulator is a heart rhythm simulator. This will allow me to program complex, dangerous, and uncommon heart rhythms that are safe and are used on a simulator so no patients are at risk. Second simulator is the Medtronic 2090 demo device, which I can program to have the device technicians correct any of the issues. Negotiations. The negotiations are the informed consent, and we have to also brief the students on the simulators before use. We want to make sure that the simulators are not being taught, it is the material. The ethics. Really, there is no ethics because we are using the simulators. With the ethics, not that there's no ethics, we are following all of HIPAA compliances, which is no patient discriminator, and also using the form of consent. Timeline, there will be three phases. Phase 1, pre-lesson testing, baseline. Phase 2, lecture and simulation lessons, which the students will have two groups. One group will do simulations, the other group will do lectures. And then after that, we do the post-lesson testing, which will also include the simulator. Statement of resources, we need the simulators, and we need the pre and post test. Data collection. This will be the pre and post test before, pre and post test after, which is the same test, and then the student survey. Well, this is my brief review of my mock presentation. Let me know how I did. Thank you.